Ziggy's Big Meadow Day. In a big, sunny meadow filled with tall, green grass lived a little grasshopper named Ziggy. Ziggy loved his home, and he loved to hop. "Our meadow is the best home," chirped his mama, peeking from behind a leaf. "The tall grass keeps us safe and cozy from the big world." Ziggy's tummy rumbled. "I'm hungry, Mama," he chirped. "What's for breakfast?" Mama pointed with her antenna to a fresh, green clover. "We grasshoppers are herbivores," Mama said. "That's a big word that means we love to eat fresh, crunchy leaves and yummy flowers." Suddenly, a shadow passed over them. A little bluebird flew by. "Quick, hide," whispered Mama. "We are an important part of nature's food chain, which means some animals like to eat us for lunch." "But we are helpers too," Mama said proudly. "When we eat the older leaves, we make room for new baby plants to get more sunshine and grow big and strong." Ziggy watched his mama poke the back of her body, her ovipositor, into the soft, warm soil. "What are you doing?" he asked. "I'm laying my eggs in a safe, underground nest," she said softly. "Soon, you will have many new brothers and sisters. This is how our family grows." "When you hatched from an egg, you were a tiny nymph," Mama explained. "You looked just like you do now, but much smaller and without any wings. To grow, you had to regenerate," said Mama. "That means you shed your tight skin many times, like taking off a coat that's too small, until you grew big and strong." Ziggy wiggled his big back legs. "What's so special about these?" he wondered. "Those are your jumpers," Mama chirped. "They are full of power." "Watch me," Ziggy shouted. He pushed off with his mighty legs and soared through the air. Boing! He landed gently on a bright yellow dandelion. As the sun began to set, Ziggy heard a pretty sound. Chirp, chirp, chirp! It was his papa, making music just for them. "That's his special grasshopper song," Mama whispered to Ziggy. "He makes that beautiful sound by rubbing his wing against his leg. It's how he says 'I love you' to the whole meadow." Ziggy felt happy and safe in his big meadow home. With yummy leaves to eat, a loving family, and beautiful songs to hear, it was the perfect place for a little grasshopper to be.